Hello, my name is Selena Da Silva. I am presenting on behalf of our team. The title of our project is Co-Designing Mental Health Virtual Reality. The mixed method research project addressed the need to develop a deeper understanding of the lived experience of individuals with mental health illness to inform the design of a virtual serious game, and the requirement for more accessible and interactive mental health virtual serious games for student learning prior to attending mental health community placements. The fact is that 1 in 5 Canadians will experience or be affected by persons living with mental health issues, and often health profession students, such as nurses, are unprepared for interactions with patients experiencing psychoses and suicidal ideations. Prior to the design of the virtual serious game, we began with an Ontario-wide collection of 50 narratives from individuals who live with mental illness and access mental health services using qualitative methods through semi-structured interviews. The themes such as feeling shameful, experiencing public stigma, and acceptance and seeking help were used to develop the virtual serious game storyline representative of the participants' lived experience and support for shared decision-making in their care. The Agile theory informed the prototype development of the virtual serious game. The virtual serious game is composed of two distinct components, a player and a scenario editor. The player was developed using Unity 3D, and each dialogue of the virtual serious game prototype presented multiple response choices to the user, a maximum of 5, and the patient avatar can have animated emotional responses as well, such as anger, agitation, sadness, depending on the choice made. The trainee could also take on the health professional's role and dialogue with the patient avatar following predefined text responses typical when conducting a mental health assessment, assessing psychiatric forms, and administering psychiatric medications. There is also a feature to select various patient ethnicities, and you can see a screenshot on the top left-hand side that illustrates a male being admitted to the emergency unit with a mental health crisis episode. As well, on the right side, you can see the dialogue of the player. The scenario editor was developed as a single-page web application based on Vue.js and JavaScript framework for building user interfaces and Backlava.js, a graph node editor for the web. That ensured that the virtual serious game editor is a true native web application, and it could be easily extended in the future to support more features as needed. Moving forward, the next phase of the research involves conducting a pilot RCT. The evaluation outcomes will be the virtual serious game summative scores and the empathy outcome through the mentally ill scale that will be used. We are delighted to be at the 4th International Conference on Medical Education Informatics and look forward to your questions. Thank you.